So another concept is a triune brain plus that we will be talking about. It is a new concept and it's based on natural connections of the functional triune brain with one's body's autonomic nervous system. It provides for understanding of the brain mind body connection, also the concept of interoception and mindfulness, among others.
And like I was just mentioning, I spent a major period of my life actually grappling with, and I mean, to use a strong word, hating my body, and frustrated with its need for movement or stimulation, especially during wildly inopportune moments. And to me, this triune brain plus concept explains the why behind the how I developed an appreciation and gratitude for my internal smoke alarms, as I call them now, rather than getting frustrated when my body would get anxious or it would have a desire for movement. By engaging in practices that we'll discuss while we're in the workshop itself, to me, especially my daily gratitude practice, which I can explain more, I've learned that it's okay and actually beneficial to trust my body rather than fight against it. And it's helped me develop different techniques to foster and strengthen that connection over time.
Thank you.